Hello, I'm Tammy from Tammy Services Corporation. I'm the Chief Strategic Life Refiner, and I welcome you to today's video about honoring the past, healing the present, and empowering the future. Today, we pause to honor National Truth and Reconciliation Day in Canada. This is a time to reflect, learn, and commit to a better tomorrow. National Truth and Reconciliation Day is on September 30th, and it matters. It is a day that is also known as Orange Shirt Day, and it recognizes the tragic history and the lasting impacts of Canada's residential school system. It is a day to honor survivors, their families, and communities. Did you know that over 150,000 Indigenous children attended residential schools in Canada between 1870s and 1996? There is the power of truth, and truth leads to healing. Truth is not just about history, it's about mental health. When we face difficult truths, whether personal or collective, we also create space for healing and growth. Studies have shown that acknowledging and expressing truth reduces stress, anxiety, and depression, which will also lay the foundation for positive mental health. Mental health, of course, and reconciliation go hand in hand. Healing minds, healing communities. Unresolved trauma affects entire communities. By supporting truth and reconciliation, we also support mental wellness, resilience, and the rebuilding of stronger, healthier futures. Indigenous people in Canada experience mental health challenges at rates 2 to 3 times higher than non-Indigenous populations, underscoring the importance of collective healing. Taking action together is key. Reflection to empowerment is the way that we show actions. Truth and reconciliation require more than just remembering. It takes action. By learning, engaging in dialogue, and supporting healing initiatives, we all contribute to change. So, here's where I come in. I have a positive mental health workshop that's, delivered. It's all for you. It's all about embracing our journey to healing and growth together. So I'm excited to share that my positive mental health workshop, it's going to be starting Thursday, October the 2nd from 6:30 to 8:30. It's a time. Together, we're going to explore strategies for healing, resilience, and living your truth. I'm so looking forward to having you be a part of it. And as we know, it's for all kinds of people, right? Learning people, growth people, people looking to improve. It's all about you. So I also want to let you know, I also offer customized sessions. So if you're looking for a coaching session for an individual, you're looking for a team, development, all kinds of sessions, I design them for individuals, organizations, or groups. So please reach out to me, Tammy at tammyservices.com, and we can work together to create, I can host and facilitate a program that will meet your needs. So in closing, I'd like to have you remember there's truth, there's healing, and there's action. So on this National Day for Truth and Reconciliation, let us honor the past. Let's walk in truth, and let's take bold steps towards a healthier, more compassionate future together. Reach out to me. Let's connect. I'm so looking forward to engaging with you. Empowered, together, we will. Bye.